This video we reviews the 5 best flat-top grills and griddles, according to pros. More versatile than a grill, these griddles allow you to make diner-worthy brunch spreads and hibachi-style meat and vegetables. From bacon, eggs, and pancakes in the morning to burgers and stir-fry for dinner, it's hard to beat the deep caramelization produced by flat-top grills. Another perk of this outdoor cooking device is that it keeps smoke and strong food smells in the fresh air instead of your kitchen. When shopping for a griddle, you'll find a range of sizes suitable for small patios and serving large groups. No matter your needs, there's a model that's right for you. We did the legwork for you by tapping experts and researching the most popular flat-top grills on the market from brands like Blackstone and Pit Boss. Keep scrolling to read more about the best outdoor griddles for every budget, outdoor space, and family. Best overall, Blackstone 1554 Cooking 4-Burner Flat-Top Gas Grill. Whether you're cooking for 2 or a crowd, finding a grill to suit all comers is a moving target. But experts agree that having more BDUs, multiple burners, and a bigger chunk of steel gives the griddle added versatility to provide enough space to cook for large groups or use half for a weeknight meal. That said, we landed on the Blackstone 36-inch gas griddle cooking station as our best overall pick because it offers 720 inches of cooking space with 4 independent heat zones to accommodate various foods at once. Plus, the brand is known for its durable and innovative outdoor griddles that you can count on for years to come. The flat-top grill is constructed of a powder-coated steel frame, stainless steel burners, and a thick cold-rolled steel cooktop. The 4 burners put out around 15,000 BDUs of heat, which equals a total of 60,000 BDUs for the entire cooktop. The control knobs are easy to adjust, and the surface maintains its temperature for restaurant-worthy sears. Fueled by propane gas, this grill requires a 20-pound propane tank you hook up under the left side shelf. Then, simply press the electric button to start cooking. It's important to note that the top isn't pre-seasoned, so you'll need to do this step before your first use. The cart features 2 sturdy side tables to hold plates and utensils, and a bottom shelf to store supplies. The improved grease trap is located on the back, works effectively, and is a breeze to clean. Best splurge, Camp Chef Flat Top Grill 900 Outdoor Griddle. The Camp Chef Flat Top 900 makes preparing large servings of food a breeze thanks to its 877 square inches of cooking space with 6 heating zones. Bigger is not always better, but this griddle features a stable chassis, reliable ignition, ample storage, and folding tables on top of its exceedingly large cooktop, meaning it's well worth the money. Like Camp Chef's other griddles, the Flat Top 900 comes seasoned and ready to cook. We appreciate touches like the hex head screws at the corners, which let you level the griddle's surface on an uneven patio, deck, or lawn. At this size, it's important to get the grease draining in the right direction. Each of the 6 burners cranks out 12,000 BDUs with chunky dials that help adjust the temperature from sear down to a simmer, so you can add a pot to boil water or a skillet to reduce a pan sauce. Best round, Cuisinart 360-degree Griddle Cooking Center. This round griddle saves space while still providing everything you need and more. Unlike most flat-top grills, the Cuisinart 360-degree griddle comes with a vented stainless steel lid that allows you to steam, roast, and smoke foods in addition to searing, sauteing, and frying. Another perk is a built-in paper towel holder, so you can keep a roll under the side table and use that surface for plates and utensils. Each burner can be adjusted between 200 and 550 degrees Fahrenheit to help you achieve a beautiful sear or keep foods warm while you set the table. Following the vented lid, our favorite part of this griddle is the 360-degree grease band that surrounds the 22-inch cooking surface. This means that no matter where oils splatter, the tray will catch them. The only con about this model is that there isn't a handle to grip to move it around. Best hybrid, Royal Gourmet GD 401 Portable Propane Gas Grill and Griddle Combo. If you're not ready to go all in on a griddle, this hybrid model is for you. Each side of the grill has 2 burners for added control, so you can grill a flank steak on one side while you brown onions, peppers, and tortillas on the other for fajita night. With 48,000 BTUs in total, the half of the Royal Gourmet that is a griddle is roughly the size of a smaller portable griddle, but that might be exactly what you need to cook for 1 or 2 people during a weeknight. The grill side has cast iron grates to retain heat and leave defined marks on your food. The cart, which is foldable to make storing and transport easier, features details that help make cooking easier. We like the rail, with hooks to store things like tongs and spatulas, and that the grease tray is mounted in the back to keep the stainless steel cover plate and chrome knobs on the front side clean. The side tables don't fold down, which adds to the bulk of the unit but allows for sturdy storage. Pit Boss 5 Burn a Gas Griddle. The griddle is relatively maintenance-free. If you want to just walk outside after 2 weeks of not using your griddle and turn it on to make hay, then you can, without having to worry about scraping off some rust or reseasoning your griddle before you even start cooking. In my opinion, that's the biggest pro of the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. As long as you do a simple cleanup after each use, then your griddle is ready to go the next time you want to use it. No seasoning necessary. In contrast, a traditional rolled steel griddle like a Blackstone requires regular maintenance and seasoning. In fact, before you can even cook the first thing on your Blackstone griddle, you have to apply. That process alone could be daunting to a griddle beginner, and even experienced flat-top grillers may not want to worry about having to reseason their griddles every so often. You can use less oil. Since the ceramic coating of the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle has a non-stick element, it requires much less oil when cooking. Also, since it doesn't require any sort of seasoning process, you save oil there as well. And when your favorite cooking oil is avocado oil like mine, that stuff is not cheap, so using less is a good thing. With a traditional rolled steel griddle, however, you need to apply oil or a different lubricant frequently and in larger amounts. Just the initial seasoning of a traditional griddle requires about 4 to 5 coats of oil, and anytime that you're cooking on a rolled steel griddle, you really should oil the entire surface to maintain the seasoning as well, even if you're only using about half of the cooking surface. So whether you want to save money on oil or you just like the idea of using less oil in your cooking, this is a pro for me. Lift-off feature makes it very portable. Besides the ease of use and maintenance of the cooking surface, another notable pro of the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle is the lift-off feature. The entire griddle cooking surface can be removed from the wheeled stand so that you can easily take your Pit Boss griddle on the go, either camping or tailgating. Just unhook the propane tank from the unit, unlock the hinges on both sides, and the griddle top is ready to go. This was a big pro for our family, because we like to tailgate and we have outdoor get-togethers quite often. In fact, I recently took my Pit Boss on a 3-hour road trip to a family reunion in a state park. It fit perfectly in the trunk of my wife's SUV, and I was able to cook up 6 packs of bratwursts for the whole family to enjoy. One quick tip: if you're going to be taking your griddle on the go, find a sturdy milk carton to transport the propane tank in. I've tried just about every method possible to keep my propane tanks from rolling around in the trunk when I take them to be refilled, and milk crates